Only from the CPA Grip platform, I have earned $1,098.56 with easy simple tricks. Hello guys, you are watching CPA Hacks channel. Before watching the video, please subscribe my channel and like the videos. And we are in the 1 week challenge to earn $1,000. And today is the first day we are going to learn what is CPA marketing. Okay, actually, what is CPA marketing and how it works? For an example, CPA marketing is cost per action or click per action. Okay, anything. How they are going to pay and how the CPA marketing works. For an example, you are running a mobile shop business. You need some sales to your shop. So for getting sales, you need some people's email. If you got their emails means daily you can update your mobile price and your mobile new types of mobiles. You can daily update your shop details to them with your mail collections. Okay, so for getting mail you need some CPA marketers, which means who promotes and get the email list and they will give it to you, so you can successfully run your business with their email list. Okay, this is how the CPA marketing works. But in this field you are going to be a role in CPA promoter. Okay, CPA marketing leads promoter. You are going to get the CPA links from a business person and you are going to promote it, and your customers will submit the task and you will get paid. Okay, this is simple. Can we earn in CPA marketing? Absolutely yes, because you are going to promote the links to the people. Okay, you are going to promote the links to the people who are interested with this niche, will submit their tasks, and you will easily get the money. So there is no doubt that you can earn or not. Definitely everyone can earn in CPA marketing. It's easy and you must follow the tricks which I'm going to teach. Okay, how much you can earn as a beginner in CPA marketing? For an example, this is actually not depend on the beginner or experienced person. Okay, actually, if you use the right trick, if you use the right tips, and if you use the right traffic area to promote the CPA links means definitely you can earn a good money. This is not about the $100 or $500 or $1,000. Any money you are earning from the CPA marketing will get you improved day by day. Okay, that's why I'm going to conduct this day 7 days challenge. Okay, this is a 1 week challenge to earn $1,000, but you may, yes, you may earn more, but this is the basic thing, okay, which I'm going to teach you. Can we take this business as our long-term business? Okay, for an example, per month you are getting a good traffic to your CPA links, any links. Okay, this, it's not about the particular link or a particular niche. Okay, any link you are promoting, but you have a good traffic, selected audience niche traffic means definitely you can earn a good money. For an example, let me use the calculator and give you an example. Okay, per month you are getting 1 lakh visitors. For an example, 1 lakh visitors. Okay, and only 30 percentage of people are going to submit the task means into 30 percentage into 30 percentage means you are getting from 1 lakh visitors you are getting only 30 percentage conversion means the balance is 30,000. For each person you are getting 0.50 or else $1. For each person you are getting $1 money means, for an example, into, sorry, into just $1 means your money is $30,000. Per month you are getting 1 lakh visitors. From that 1 lakh visitors you are getting only 30 percentage of conversion. So the balance money is 30,000 people. From this 30,000 peoples, you are getting $1 for each person, means you are earning $30,000 per month. Okay, just don't want $1 money. Okay, just for 30,000 into, you are getting only 0. $40 sorry, 0.40 means you are getting $12,000. So you can run it as a long term and you can run it as a main job. Okay, so this is a very very easy tricks, anyone can work. Okay, just follow my channel and just follow the tricks which I'm going to teach. Okay, everything from scratch to the end, everything I'm going to teach you. Okay, you can contact me personally also. I'll give the links in the description, my social media links. Okay, you can ask any doubts there. Okay, if you want you can get my personal training also, anything. Okay, but feel free to ask me. You can ask me any doubts and any tips regarding your CPM marketing or affiliate marketing business. Okay, please follow the channel. Today is the day one. Please don't miss this weekly challenge. Okay, for the next 6 days we are going to look an amazing business and amazing work tricks. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and like the videos and follow me. Okay, thank you guys, have a nice day.